Are you ready to set them free?
Hold it up.
I think my butterflies are...
This way. Right? Okay. Here they go. You see me in the camera?
Okay, butterflies, are you ready?
Yes. Tape it. You're not taping.
She's flying away.
She's going to find a nice tree. Let me see.
She's finding a nice big tree.
Okay, let's get the next one. Come on, butterfly. Did it come out?
No, it didn't come out.
Do you want to help him out?
No. I think it didn't work. It didn't work well.
This one is hurt.
I think it didn't work.
How are we going to get him out?
How are we going to set the butterflies free?
Oh, that one is not going to make it. That one's going to die. What's the matter? Here we go. There it goes.